Okay, after you've set up your ALEKS account, the next thing you're going to be ready to do is take the initial assessment. So you're just going to hit next here, hit next, getting started, got it, next, next, next. Okay, so before you can take the initial assessment, you're going to take this little tutorial. This is just going to get you acclimated with ALEKS, how you type your answers in, those sort of things. So we're just jumping through a few hoops here, answering the questions. Okay, x plus 4, exponent 2, plus 7, circle, alright, learning how to use the line tool. Okay, so the initial assessment, which is actually called an initial knowledge check, that's probably what I should actually call it. You're going to start this, okay, and you're going to get through all the questions, okay. So when you take this, make sure that you don't use the internet, the notes, your friend to help you. Just do the best that you can, because if you get extra help and you start way far ahead, then the program's not going to go over material that you need to learn. And that'll be a problem, because if you don't go through the problem that you need to learn, eventually when you go to take an actual test through ALEKS, you're going to miss all those questions. So you're going to do poorly on the tests, and the tests are what makes up the majority of your grade. Okay, so you just answer each of these. If you don't know it, you don't know it. If you do know it, you'll write the answer down. Okay, and you'll hit submit and go to the next question. Okay, so after you finish the knowledge check, then you'll be ready to actually start the course. I will make another video that talks about that. So again, when you take the initial knowledge check, do your best. If you know it, great. If you don't beat yourself up, but don't fabricate it by getting help or having somebody do it for you or anything like that. It's just going to hurt you in the long run. Okay?